I've said time and time again that the machine shop business is the hardest type of business in the world to run. Many shop owners find it so difficult that they find themselves in the weeds, putting out fires on a daily basis for years and years. And by doing so, they are not setting themselves up on a path for success for what they originally envisioned when they started their shop. They eventually realize that all they've done is built themselves a very stressful and high risk job without a guarantee for success in the long run. The most successful businesses have a direction and a destination that they are trying to get to. Without setting these things, the chance of your success is going to be considerably lower than if you have that in mind. And eventually you could end up in a place where you didn't actually originally intend when you started your shop. So I've started a new blog series called Having an Endgame for Your Machine Shop Business. And the first one is what I'm calling a fork in the road. And what we need to do here is to envision what we actually want for your business, what you want for your life beyond the end of your shop, or at least your involvement in the shop. And when you can set that vision for what you want, you can use a process that I call backcasting, where you can work backwards to figure out, well, if I want X in the future, these are the steps that I need to take to get there eventually. And many shop owners don't do this. They have been stagnant for years and years at sort of a fork in the road. Do I continue down the path that I'm on today, fighting fires, being all consumed by the business? Or do I change my tactics? Do I set a vision? Do I work hard to set a different future for myself? The reality is that the machine shop business in the 2023 where we are today has a very bright future. Manufacturing is coming back to North America. There are huge opportunities for shops that are doing to do things right. There's almost unlimited potential. But the fact is, you have to put in the time, you have to put in the effort to build systems, build your team, learn to delegate, so you can work on the business, not in the business on a daily basis. So that involves being reflective about what's working well, what's not well, and making sure you are on that path to hit that eventual goal that you envision out in the future. So hopefully you find this first blog interesting and useful to you. There'll be more to come. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and keep on keeping on.